My name is Nisha Thakur and I'm a maths online tutor. I'm the founder of Nisha Tutor. In this video, we are going to solve this algebraic problem. If x to the power 2 plus x plus 1 equal to 0, then x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to what? So first start with this x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus 1. So here we can take common from here x to the power 4. So here x and here 1. Now this 1 plus 1 we can write here. And here given x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Here whole equation divide by x. So x square plus x plus 1 divided by x, and here 0 upon x. X square upon x we get x upon x 1, and here 1 upon x this, and 0 upon x 0. So what is x plus 1 value? Here 1 upon x we can transfer, so this is negative. This x plus 1 value we can substitute here, x to the power 4. Here we can write minus 1 upon x plus 1. And this is x to the power 4 divided by x, and this minus, so minus x to the power 3 plus 1. Or we can write 1 minus x to the power 3. And do you know a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. So here we can imagine this is a value 1 and b value x. So now we can apply this formula here. Here a value 1 and b value x. So we can write a minus b here. A minus b, it means 1 minus x. A square, 1 square, 1 plus a multiply b, 1 multiply x, x plus b square, x square. Okay. And do you know this? X square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So this value is 0. So we can write 1 minus x and this value 0. So this whole thing is 0. Okay. So we started with x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus 1, and we got 0. So this answer is 0, also 0. Okay, so I hope this question is easier for you now. Just follow my steps and solve. And if you know another way to solve this problem, so please share with me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.